everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on the reviews and swatches of these 7 Heavens and half lip liners, or you may say the Glimmer Sticks. Actual name is the Glimmer Sticks. So I'm going to do the reviews on this. Now starting from the 7 Heavens, the 7 Heaven has recently launched their two more brands, which is the first half and the second is the matte look. The half products is more towards the lip liners, lipstick, the lip products, and the matte look is more towards the foundation, compact powder and the eyeshadows. Now starting from the price and availability of this product, you can find these lip liners and glimmer sticks anywhere between 30 rupees to 60 rupees. On the normal local stores or drug stores, you can find it for rupees 30, 40, 50, 60. It may increase maximum up to 60, not more than. And on online side, you can find it on Amazon or Nykaa. I don't know about other sites, online sites, whether it is available or not, but on Amazon and Nykaa you'll surely find this. But there's something like that you don't have to buy for each product. They sell for 12 set of lip liners. If you want to buy a single product, you can't buy from there. They only sell the sets of 12 products, 12 lip liners. So if you want it singly, then you have to buy it from a normal drugstore or a local store. I'll be giving you a link below the description box, below the video, in the description box for the online site where it is available. If you want to make an order, you can just click on the link and place your order. But if you want single products, then you surely have to go to the local stores or the drugstores. Me personally got these lip liners from a normal drugstore, and I got these lip liners 40 rupees each. I have 12 lip liners, 4 from 7 Heavens and 8 from half. Talking about the packaging hasn't changed at all. The 7 Heaven lip liner has the same packaging, and the half lip liner has the same packaging. The both packaging is the same on the lip liners. It hasn't changed at all, but the color variations are there for half and the 7 Heaven lip liners, but the packaging remains the same. And of course they are color coordinated, so you can just pick up the color whichever you want. You don't have to find out which was your color. You can just pick up the color from the pencil itself. They all are color coordinated, and the color ranges are so pretty. Like you can get the color ranges of red, you can get many more colors from red group, or from orange group, from peach. They have very sort of nude colors. They have 2 to 3 colors only, but in reds and chocolates and mauves, and yes, in the orange and magentas you get a lot of things, but in the peach or nude shade you get little bit of choice. So they come with a silver cap upon them, like so. The silver cap is all upon them, and they are sharpenable pencils. They doesn't come with any sort of sharpener. You have to buy it by yourself, a normal sharpener, to sharpen these pencils. The pencils are like so. They are with a flower printed upon them. The 7 Heavens pencils and the half both have flowers printed upon them. The logo you can see over there is the half Glimmer Sticks for lips, and the 7 Heavens Glimmer Sticks for lips. Below that there's written the name of the particular lip liner with a code over with that, so you can just take it with a name also and with a code also. And the ingredients, yes, of course, what can you expect within these simple lip liners to get an ingredient list, of course. And then it comes manufacturing and the expiry dates over there. The manufacturing date is from 2016 and it is good until 2019, and the net weight of this pencil is 1.8. Gets little bit wasted, but overall the lipsticks are good for at their prices. And what can you expect in these lipsticks for at these prices, the lip liners at these prices? And of course they are color coordinated. They look so pretty. Each color is so pretty. Talking about the application is very soft of these lip liners. They are so pigmented. You can just see in the one swipe, it gives so pigmented color, so vibrant color, and it is extremely soft in application. It is creamy sort of, it gives a creamy sort of gliding nature it has, and it feels like creamy on the lips, but it gives a pure matte finish on your lips. It won't dry your lips. It gives a moisturizing feeling on your lip, and it doesn't give any sort of cakiness. The lasting power for these lip liners is for around 4 to 5 hours without eating anything. But if you eat anything, then it just comes off. The lipstick comes off from the middle part, doesn't come off from the outer side. But it happens with most of the lip liners. Obviously, lip liners are not like liquid lipstick. They tends to come out. But yes, you can wear it on its own. You don't need any lipstick to just fill in it with. It is so vibrant. The colors are so pigmented that you just don't need any sort of lipstick to go with this. They just go alone without any sort of lipsticks, and it gives an extremely matte finish but remains a sort of creamy on your lips and shows it as a matte finish, and it doesn't dry out on your lips, don't make your lips stretchy, itchy, or any sort of anything. But yes, it as it just get off after 4 to 5 hours without it. So it is sort of a transfer lip liner. It isn't transfer proof. I can show you the transfer test on my hand, and I have one of its lip liner which is in the shade Poppy Red. I have that on my lip, and let's just test the transfer in front of you, as I know it is not transfer proof, but let me just show you. See, it tends to come up. The lip liners come out. It isn't transfer. They're very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't dry out your lips, and they are quite moisturizing on the lips and gives a matte finish overall. Now it's very easy to take off this lip liner. It is, you can just take your wet wipe or a normal cotton dipped into your makeup remover, or you can just take a normal cloth and wipe it out. It will come immediately. It is very easy to just remove the lipstick, and after removing the lip liner, it doesn't feel itchiness like most of the lipstick. After removing 5 to 6 hours wearing the lipstick, when we remove these lipsticks, some of them feels kind of itchiness on the lips. It stretches out, but this doesn't happen with these lip liners. So this is a pro of these liners. And so this was all about the information, all the reviews on these lip liners, and now I'm going to show you the swatches of these lip liners. So this was all my reviews and swatches on these 7 Heavens and half lip liners. If you liked my video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do share my videos on your WhatsApp and Facebook and other social networking sites. And yes, till then, take care. Bye bye.